steel accessories guide free. But wait, order right now and we'll include the extender.
Hello everyone, and good morning everybody, and welcome back to the ETPC Severe Weather Outlook YouTube channel. Today is it is Saturday, June the 20th, 2026, and it is currently 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And today we have the day one similar outlook for the threat for severe thunderstorms around the United States. So let's get down to business here, shall we? So today's outlook we have a marginal light and enhanced risk for the threat for severe thunderstorm right here in Kansas and the United States. So the marginal goes all the way from the Utah to the Idaho and Wyoming, Nebraska, North Dakota. South Dakota. Oh man. All the way from the Colorado border all the way to the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma and Kansas, and well, and Missouri. The light risk does cover southwest Kansas and of course south central Kansas, pretty much, and so that is a start. And then we have the enhanced risk covering much of western Kansas, most of southwest Kansas, and a little bit of east central Kansas. I mean central Kansas, I should say, Allie. As well as Nebraska and of course Colorado. Then finally, we have a marginal risk down in the Louisiana area, Mississippi, Alabama, and part of Georgia, as well as Florida, as well.
Are you on?
Alright, so anyway, again, we have the marginal risk again for the Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia, Georgia and Florida, I just say. Oh my goodness. And that what we have on the threat for severe thunderstorms today, Allie. Next up here we have the potential for the threat for tornadoes. We have the threat for tornadoes today, Allie, where we have a CIG1 of 5%, and then a 2% for the threat for severe thunderstorm, Dolly. Or I should say tornadoes, probably. And in that CIG1 we have Hay, Kansas, Sterling, Colorado, and Fort Morgan, Colorado in it. Then we have 5% for Topeka, Lawrence, Carolina, Manhattan, and Leavenworth, Kansas. And then last but not least, the 2% we have Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Overland Park, Kansas, and last but not least, Kansas City, Kansas. Then up next we have the damaging wind graphic map, and I'm gonna make this real quick. Though we have the we have a CIG1 of 30%, of 15%, and last but not least, a 5% on the Rick for severe thunderstorm. And it looked like Western and East Central and Southwest Canada can see the 30% area for the wind. So today, Allie. And last but not least, we have a on the large hail graphic we have a CIG1, a 30%, a 15%, and last but not least, a 5% for the large hail alley. And it looked like Garden City and Sterling, Colorado can see the 30% for the risk of severe weather. And last but not least, here's everything that you need to know about the risk for severe weather outlet. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to, outlet. So feel free to pause the video at any time, outlet. Alright, everyone. Well, that's the update on the day 1 severe weather outlook for today, Allie. I hope you all stay safe out there, Allie, and everything else, Allie. Have a great rest of your Saturday morning, and I'll be back later today for the day 2 severe weather outlook, Allie. For the day 2 severe weather outlook. Alright, see you all later. Bye-bye.